Every day, you're living the same day, just with a different date. You're following mental scripts written years ago, scripts that are keeping you stuck. But what if you could delete the old code and program your brain for success, wealth, and freedom? You have a set of instructions, beliefs, and habits. These are the codes that dictate your actions and reactions. They are the mental scripts that guide you through your day. These run in the background, day after day. This is your autopilot. It's like a background app that consumes your mental energy without you even realizing it. You go through the motions, often without questioning why you do what you do. For many, this autopilot is set to repeat the past. It's comfortable, it's familiar. It's like walking the same path every day, knowing exactly where it leads. But it keeps you stuck. It prevents you from growing, from exploring new possibilities. It's like being trapped in a loop, where every day feels the same. What if you could rewrite the code? What if you could break free from this loop and create a new script for your life? Imagine standing at a crossroads, with the power to choose a new direction. You have the power to reprogram your mind. Through mindfulness, meditation, and conscious effort, you can change the mental scripts that have been running your life. You can introduce new habits, new beliefs, and new ways of thinking. You can break free from the past and create a future you design. It starts with awareness of the thoughts and habits that no longer serve you. Recognize the thoughts and habits that no longer serve you. Take a moment to reflect on your life. What are the routines that keep you stuck? What are the beliefs that limit your potential? It's time to choose a new path, a path that leads to growth, fulfillment, and happiness. A path that you design based on your true desires and aspirations. It's time to step off autopilot and take control of your destiny. The journey begins now. Embrace the unknown, take bold steps, and create a life that truly reflects who you are. The power is in your hands. Imagine a ship without a destination. It drifts aimlessly, tossed by the waves. This is life without a clear vision. To reprogram your mind, you need a destination. What do you truly desire? What does success look like to you? Don't be vague. Get specific. Write down your goals. Make them measurable and time-bound. Once you have your vision, write it down and keep it visible. This is your North Star. It will guide you on your journey. With a clear vision, you have a purpose. You have direction. You have something to strive for. This is the first step to unlocking your true potential. Visualization is a powerful tool. It helps you program your subconscious mind. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals. See it, feel it, and experience it in vivid detail. What does it look like? How does it feel? Who are you with? Engage all your senses. The more real you make it in your mind, the more powerful the effect. Practice visualization daily. Make it a part of your morning routine. As you visualize, you are planting seeds of success in your subconscious. With consistent practice, these seeds will sprout and grow into your reality. Words have power. What you tell yourself repeatedly becomes your reality. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your desired beliefs. Create affirmations that resonate with you. Use the present tense, as if you have already achieved your goals. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be wealthy," affirm, "I am a magnet for wealth and abundance." Repeat your affirmations daily. Say them out loud with conviction. As you repeat your affirmations, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind. You're replacing old, limiting beliefs with new, empowering ones. Feeling the future. Emotional engagement. The mind is powerful, but emotions are the driving force. They shape our reality, guiding us towards our dreams. When we harness the power of our emotions, we unlock a new level of potential within ourselves. To reprogram your mind, connect with the emotions of your desired outcomes. Imagine the feeling of peace and contentment as you walk through a lush forest, or the sense of calm while meditating in nature. These emotions are the building blocks of your future. Feel the joy of achieving your goals. Picture yourself jumping in the air with excitement on a beautiful beach. or the pride swelling in your chest as you receive a trophy for your accomplishments. These vivid emotional experiences make your goals feel real and attainable. Feel the gratitude for the abundance in your life. Visualize yourself standing in a field with your arms outstretched, soaking in the beauty of the world around you. Imagine the warmth of a family picnic in the park, filled with love and appreciation. Gratitude amplifies the positive energy that attracts more of what you desire. Small steps, big leaps. The power of consistent action. Reprogramming your mind is not a passive process. It requires action. Consistent, daily action. Don't get overwhelmed by the big picture. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. What can you do today, right now, to move closer to your vision? Take action, no matter how small it seems. Consistency is key. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every step you take, no matter how small, builds momentum. Over time, these small steps will lead to massive results. Identifying and replacing. Limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are like weeds in the garden of your mind. They choke your potential and prevent you from growing. Become aware of your limiting beliefs. What negative thoughts or self-doubts hold you back? Once you identify them, you can start to challenge and replace them. For every limiting belief, find evidence to the contrary. Affirm your strengths and capabilities. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. As you uproot limiting beliefs, you create space for new, empowering ones to take root. This allows your potential to blossom. Repetition. The key to reprogramming your mind. Think of your mind like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. The same goes for new habits and beliefs. Repetition is key to reprogramming your mind. The more you practice visualization, affirmations, and positive self-talk, the more natural they will become. Don't get discouraged if you slip up. It's part of the process. Just keep coming back to your practices. Consistency and perseverance are your allies. Just as a blacksmith shapes metal with repeated blows, you can shape your mind with repeated effort. Over time, these new patterns will become automatic. You are the architect of your future. Remember, your future is not predetermined. It is a blank canvas waiting for you to paint your dreams and goals. You are not a product of your past. Your past experiences do not define who you are or who you can become. Each step you take away from the old and towards the new is a testament to your strength. You are not defined by your circumstances. The environment you find yourself in today is just a temporary setting. You have the power to rise above and create a new reality. You are the creator of your own reality. Every thought, decision, and action is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. Embrace your creativity and build the life you envision. You have the power to choose your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. By cultivating a positive mindset, you can transform your life. Meditation, journaling, and self-reflection are powerful tools. You have the power to reprogram your mind for success. Through continuous learning and personal development, you can break free from limiting beliefs. The journey may not always be easy, but it will be worth it. Every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger and more resilient. Embrace the journey with an open heart. Embrace the challenge. Stay committed to your vision, and never stop believing in your potential. Visualize your goals and keep your dreams in sight. The future is yours to create. Plant the seeds of your dreams today and nurture them with dedication and hard work. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Celebrate your victories and keep pushing forward. The only limits are the ones you set for yourself. Break free from the chains of doubt and fear. You are stronger than you realize. So, unlock your mind, unleash your potential, and create the extraordinary life you deserve. The world is waiting for your unique contributions. Until next time, embrace the path to your best self.